Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka number 36. And many unspeakable words will your enemies speak, cavilling about your powers. What can be more painful than this?
Chapter 2, Shloka 36. Avachyavadamscha bahun vadishyanti tavahitaha nindantastava samartyam tato dukkhataram nukim.
Chapter 2, Shloka number 36. Lord Krishna is the perfect doctor for the patient suffering from the mental disease, anxiety, state, neurosis. He, through his words, is creating a mental picture in the mind of Arjuna and finds that the patient is responding. He is happy with the patient's progress and goes on to give more strokes to the picture which he has painted and to which Arjuna is responding well. Lord Krishna is not only treating Arjuna but also keeping track of his progress. Through the pictures, he is showing Arjuna the folly of running away from battle. He adds more strokes to the picture which he has already created. He says people will scandalize your glorious name which you have created with so much hard work and care. Gain glory instead of losing everything in a split of a second. Your chivalry will get sullied with mean words which people from your side as well as the enemy camp will be uttering, dishonoring you. The words will be so low that they will be unutterable by the wise. This will not end with your life but will be carried forward in time. Whenever an example from history is to be cited for cowardice, they will cite your name. People in the present and also the future will remember you as a hero who ran away from the battle. Nothing can be more painful than this. More in the next shloka. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.